I went with the Rockland underseat cabinet because it fit nicely under the whole width of the seat. I had the option of doing a lockbox on one half or 1/3 of the box to secure some stuff, and I was able to put the option of lights in the cabinet, and on the other side to take up the driver's side rear and middle seat. I was also able to do a light in the cabinet, which is also fitted with a 12-volt plug and twin USB ports in the cabinet. And on the outside, here along the outside edge of the cabinet, I also have a 12-volt plug to plug in an air compressor or anything else that's 12-volt whenever I'm working on my truck or anything else. And it's just a very sleek design. It's simple, it's custom fit, and like I said, it comes out the full width of the seat, and if anyone would appear in the truck or look, you really don't notice it right off the bat, and it's secured and anchored safe to the stock anchor points under the seat brackets, and it's wide enough to hold all my gear.
These durable and practical storage solutions are designed to be vehicle make, model, and year specific to ensure proper fit in any vehicle. Our cabinets are constructed with 3/4 inch by 13 ply marine grade plywood and are covered inside and out with either marine grade carpet or rugged bedliner material. All underseat cabinets feature a full-length stainless steel piano hedge with recessed grips and a simplex combination lock installed as standard equipment. Rockland underseat cabinets are completely customizable with regard to interior design and lid configuration. Additional options include security mechanisms such as key or combination locks, as well as interior cabinet lighting. Rockland Custom Products combines years of experience with first-class craftsmanship to ensure that your cabinet meets your specific requirements and provides you with smart, safe, and secure storage for all your equipment and gear. Thank you for your interest in Rockland Custom Products. We are looking forward to providing you with the best storage solutions in the industry.